Imagine your home illuminated by plants that glow in the dark, providing natural lighting without the need for electricity. Bioluminescent plants, which harness the power of nature to create their own light, are not just a concept from science fiction. They are becoming a reality thanks to advancements in biotechnology, and they promise to revolutionize the way we think about lighting. This incredible fusion of biology and technology could transform our urban spaces into living, breathing light sources, reducing our reliance on artificial lights and cutting down on energy consumption. Before diving into the fascinating world of bioluminescent plants, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our explorations of cutting-edge technologies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. We love to hear from you. So, what exactly are bioluminescent plants and how do they work? At its core, bioluminescence is the ability of certain organisms to produce light through a chemical reaction. This phenomenon is commonly seen in deep-sea creatures like jellyfish and anglerfish, as well as in terrestrial organisms such as fireflies and certain fungi. The light is produced by a chemical reaction that involves a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin is oxidized by the enzyme luciferase in the presence of oxygen, it releases energy in the form of light. The idea of creating bioluminescent plants began with the desire to harness this natural light, producing capability and integrate it into everyday plants. Scientists envisioned plants that not only looked beautiful, but also served a functional purpose, such as lighting up our homes, streets, and parks. Imagine walking through a garden at night where the plants themselves provide a soft, enchanting glow. The potential applications are vast and incredibly exciting. To achieve this, researchers have employed genetic engineering to transfer the genes responsible for bioluminescence into plants. This process involves isolating the genes that encode for luciferin and luciferase from bioluminescent organisms and introducing them into the DNA of plants. The result is a plant that can produce its own light through the same chemical reactions found in bioluminescent organisms. One of the early breakthroughs in this field came from a team of scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. In 2017, they successfully created watercress plants that glowed faintly in the dark by embedding the luciferase enzyme into the plant's leaf. Although the initial glow was relatively dim and short-lived, it marked a significant step towards developing fully functional bioluminescent plants. Since then, advancements have been made to enhance the brightness and longevity of the glow. Researchers have experimented with different types of luciferin and luciferase, as well as optimizing the conditions for the chemical reactions to occur more efficiently. The goal is to create plants that can provide sustained illumination comparable to conventional light sources. One of the challenges in developing bioluminescent plants is ensuring that the light they produce is bright enough to be practical for everyday use. While the initial attempts produced a faint glow, ongoing research aims to increase the intensity of the light. This involves fine-tuning the genetic modifications and exploring ways to boost the production of luciferin and luciferase within the plant cell. To put things into perspective, let's consider the current state of bioluminescent plants in terms of their practical application. While we may not yet have bioluminescent plants bright enough to replace all traditional light sources, significant progress has been made. For instance, researchers have created plants that emit a visible glow for several hours, which could be used for decorative purposes or as ambient lighting in gardens and public spaces. In addition to improving brightness, scientists are also exploring ways to control the timing and duration of the bioluminescent glow. This could involve using light-sensitive switches that turn the glow on and off based on environmental cues, such as the presence of sunlight or specific wavelengths of light. Imagine having plants that automatically light up at dusk and turn off at dawn, providing natural lighting throughout the night. Another exciting avenue of research is the development of bioluminescent trees for street lighting. Urban areas could benefit immensely from such technology, as it would reduce energy consumption and lower carbon emissions. Trees with bioluminescent properties could line streets and pathways, creating a beautiful and eco-friendly alternative to conventional streetlights. This concept, known as bioluminescent urban forestry, envisions a future where cities are illuminated by living organisms, seamlessly integrating nature and technology. The environmental benefits of bioluminescent plants go beyond just reducing energy consumption. Traditional lighting systems, particularly those using incandescent or fluorescent bulbs, have a significant environmental impact due to their energy requirements and the materials used in their production and disposal. Bioluminescent plants, on the other hand, are a sustainable and renewable source of light. They do not require electricity, produce no waste, and can be grown using natural resources. Moreover, bioluminescent plants could also contribute to reducing light pollution. In many urban areas, excessive artificial lighting disrupts ecosystems by interfering with the natural behaviors of nocturnal animals and insects. Bioluminescent lighting provides a softer, more natural light that is less likely to disturb wildlife. This could help restore balance to ecosystems and promote biodiversity in urban environments. One interesting example of bioluminescent technology in action is the Glowing Plant Project, which gained significant attention a few years ago. The project aimed to create a glowing version of the Arabidopsis plant by incorporating genes from bioluminescent bacteria. Although the project faced some challenges and controversies, it highlighted the potential and public interest in bioluminescent plants. The project also raised important ethical and regulatory questions about genetic modification and the release of genetically engineered organisms into the environment. As we move towards a future with bioluminescent plants, it's essential to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with this technology. One concern is the ecological impact of introducing genetically modified plants into natural ecosystems. There is a risk that these plants could spread uncontrollably or interact with native species in unforeseen ways. Careful regulation and thorough ecological assessments will be necessary to ensure that bioluminescent plants are introduced safely and responsibly. Another challenge is the scalability of bioluminescent plant production. Creating plants with stable and consistent bioluminescent properties on a large scale requires significant research and development. It also involves addressing practical issues such as the cost of production, the availability of necessary resources, and the sustainability of large-scale cultivation. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of bioluminescent plants make them an exciting area of research and development. The combination of their aesthetic appeal, environmental sustainability, and technological innovation holds great promise for the future of natural lighting. Imagine how this technology could be integrated into our daily life. Homes could have bioluminescent gardens that provide ambient lighting in the evenings. Parks and public spaces could feature glowing plants that create a magical atmosphere while enhancing safety and visibility. Even indoor spaces could benefit from bioluminescent houseplants that add a unique and natural source of light to interior design. In agricultural settings, bioluminescent plants could be used to improve crop monitoring and management. Farmers could have fields illuminated by glowing plants, making it easier to monitor plant health and detect pests or diseases. This could enhance precision agriculture practices and reduce the need for artificial lighting and chemical treatment. Educational institutions and research facilities could also benefit from bioluminescent plants. These plants could serve as valuable tools for teaching biology, genetics, and environmental science. They could inspire students and researchers to explore the possibilities of biotechnology and its applications in creating sustainable solutions. Furthermore, bioluminescent plants could play a role in disaster response and recovery. In the aftermath of natural disasters that disrupt power supplies, bioluminescent plants could provide a source of light in affected areas. This could help improve safety and visibility during emergency situations and aid and recovery efforts. As we look towards the future, it's clear that bioluminescent plants have the potential to transform the way we think about lighting and our relationship with the natural world. The journey from concept to reality involves overcoming scientific, technological, and regulatory challenges, but the possibilities are truly inspiring. To summarize, bioluminescent plants represent a remarkable intersection of biology and technology. They harness the natural ability of certain organisms to produce light and integrate it into plants, creating a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing source of illumination. While there are challenges to address, such as improving brightness, ensuring ecological safety and scaling production, the potential benefits are immense. Bioluminescent plants could reduce our reliance on artificial lighting, lower energy consumption, minimize light pollution, and enhance urban environments with their natural glow. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of bioluminescent plants for natural lighting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest advancements in futuristic technologies. Share your opinions and thoughts in the comment section below. Love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible possibilities of science and innovation.